complex no ewo na lerigu ama wo mo ne Accra Lions so ko tipenku a obi a hye no nyonko eka baako Aduana FC etna fie Odincho Nations FC ko twa na kamienu ama Aduana etimu baako na Sante Kotoko Sunday no ewo Boase Lenkley Sports Stadium wo mo so share baako ma Young Apostles wo mo so etimi share baako House of Oak wo mo edin kunim for the first time this season wo mo share 2-0 against Bechem United yenran semnemu na ye sha semfemfiri aye Oboase dia na se Kotoko wo mo ene Young Apostles na share ya dwumedi no na ya dia na edom no eba behwe papa na se dom a wo ma PM stadium no ese wani enso ka che wo mu bufa so nenso enya de anyoma koye edema Kotoko boboko ne yedin kan na yentie Asante Kotoko head coach Prosper na Togum se odin komo after the game de ohun ye e wo game ni mu a ono wo gidie se e positive se wo se ni team no wo mutime kurem na impo omo improve in a subsequent games on betimi abo yentie Prosper na Togum.
It's all about the creation of the chances. It was good for us. We created more chances, so it's good for us. All that we have to do is to make sure that we try to put the ball at the back of the net. So going back, we need to emphasize more of goal scoring, and I'm sure once we are able to do that, we'll be fine. Again, I think we need to be very active in our defensive play. Once we are very active in our defensive play, when we go on the attack and then we lose possession, we'll be very sure that our back is covered, because it was out of our inability to stay active in defense that gave them the opportunity to launch the attack, and that resulted in a goal. So one is about making sure that we rehearse more goal scoring draws, and then two, trying to make sure that we stay very active in defense when we are attacking the opening.
Area Prosper na Togum coach Edema Asante Kotoko boboko no din komo edefa nyoma baako mienu miense koye de ma Kotoko nemo mamuhye mukina ebebo ama nyoma enso etimi akoye de amamo in matches a eno nso edi omanimu amfanso odin komo edefa chitafo mo ba beta Kotoko achi ewo stadium ho wabra omo ne Young Apostles enso eba ochim se ade a de ohun ye no na ye nani so a edom ne bufa so enti na se ade a ekoye pa
spectators who came around. I mean, this was almost full to capacity, and that is a plus for the team, for the protocol team, because if you play away from home and you have a lot of supporters traveling from near and far to come and watch you, it tells that they have a lot of confidence in the team, they have a lot of belief that the team can perform and then win games. So
Entiano ye coach Prosper na Togum no ye coach Edema Asante Kotoko ne nkomo die after so many Young Apostles draw game no by a year 1-1 na still on the game dia Kotoko chita for ni bi by nanso anya de o mani eso de course ni na ne se ye wodom ni bia no mu fi Oboase eba behwe game no wo mu di nkomo kire mu se wo mu Oboase ni ba ko Kotoko team nim Samuel Tinedu dodo na sa ne mpe wase Opele na o mu gidi se e wasan ko Opele wotumi ebobo ni bi we ensentwe we etitani ba ko a woni ensentwe ni Ricardo Veras enso twetwe nkomo yenkotie no
the whole time is important. Oguma so den jesi last year na o say players ni be a politician no e bi no one start no hwe Kotoko players not to be obi na obi ani asem ba men kan chemi sentimanu no bo che I think do da ana o change the problem ba kon say baba ya ye born 10 ya man 11 no I person ya team nim the whole time is important to baba ya boy what can ko ya oh enti men nya the players ni bo me de mania blinya ne say Kotoko support the team no na ye ka obi firi kuma sia ba next time Franco me am bass this oba o ma ana me dwene ho next time say o ma anya kuma say for obi fra kra ba enti men ne de babo o je de babo team no
enti court that ho abobo ni bi no we after the game say Kotoko draw 1-1 and it for ni bi enso e kasa Emmanuel Entry enenya the man of the match after the game on the share the equalizing goal no enso e de ma Kotoko wedding komo e de afa MVP no win here na Abranche in common say ne siete.
Man of the match means nothing to me when you don't get the 3 points, and moreover, don't go in the game to win man of the matches. So it's a bit disappointing, but I think we didn't take our chances serious, and we were supposed to bury them, because you can play 90 minutes and you get only one chance in the game. So when it comes, you have to utilize it. So.
Engineer Emmanuel Entry player Edema Asante Kotoko boboko ni yanko to the camp of Young Apostles. Omo coach Asare Bediako na Our a very good record against Kotoko ni na say team bi ode be hia Kotoko bia no ahana mpempi ono edi Kotoko sunkunim anasa omoko etipenko and na sai bedi akon achrem de entia our that fine record and so editia Kotoko.
But I will never Kotoko a big team. Obi an say Kotoko a big team, but I will never bow down to Kotoko and I has that. Me show me I was me year me hona me bom obi ahun say me a quality coach because of a big club. Mo obi am ebuma bonfia. So I so we can be we also bet me manage that team soon. There's a chance na my.
Entiane asare bedi akoko coach de my younger apostles en komo die na openipo no da younger apostles boboko na no ora domfe na ora domfe enso edin komo after the game on here Ricardo Varas etwehwe komo on the way who so far the game no the course wom yentie no
because Kotoko no small team both possession and everything team because when Kotoko number draw na so why there em say any nations na ball last week and also me share team and kita nation na ya border na manfo na so munya botre because nation no Kotoko better players I say Kotoko and then bibi to play with champion club as Kotoko easy we are learning something from there. A player to play I feel your boys on the up and coming stars or more into game the anyway say a man for her ball at but game near the AF. Near idea be a pim.
And no your radom fan come on to after sending team draw against Asante Kotoko away from Abuasi Yanko all the way to Accra Legon Stadium and a House of Folk and so 2-0 against Bechem United. Now come on there and I don't want to akoso yentie House of Folk goalkeeper Benjamin Asare after so omutimi dinkunim no wakache players ne say we dia ye dinkunim ni mama yenkrim kopem say ye betimi akoso ne atie nim na aboa phobia nyoma etimi akoye from this match be the ball the west can bro anyway Benjamin Asai and come on so die after has omonkunim die against Bechem United and still on House of Folk die no omo supporter bakopa ono edimo ewo has supporting him wayo Edin come after the game with James and him Johnny the win here I never found the NTNO.
Bia me wayo me catch it almost say omunya butre na what enya wataro e fer wataton wataraton yo singaton no kikaton we wataraton so munya butre no mu hwe watara yi kwan be fa so be banya agro uze lusu be 2 matches na match e di ba no match e bon ne no first goal e chele lamonde second goal e jaba jobo na dani nyege ba na e stop dani nyege let's stop dinzimpi let's stop nwenwen sa 3 nwenwen ndani nyege discipline a yedo mu kokumasi next week ye ko me say kwa mensa we ye fam terminal 3 Hassan Hussein Ramzi sa terminal 3 we munya wa me can on met it defenders in papa fi
anyway why you so come on so day after the game I say wait no we di kunima say ya that here there's a chechemu no eyade a emanioma enso etimi ekọ kai enso edema enra game back on enso e ba so e wo the ni eje kraku sports stadium no e wo tema ho ana Dreams FC epo edit Heart of Lions game no ekoye 2-2 there's a Dreams Eshemienu Heart of Lions amonso Eshemienu na after the game coach ono other Dreams FC ano Abdul Karim Zito na wachem se ne ninje ni na se game ne dey combat me afankonim dey na mom ne goalkeeper no ano started said nyomo nana wa Manchester United no and no bia na ne goalkeeper no started say oh yeah amanyoma entimi ankonkan coach Karim Zito nkomo say no see di no
disappointed with the result.
Seriously. No, we call something tactical indiscipline. I think during the second half, I told my goalkeeper, these Onana things, you have to vary and see the implication, because don't do it if you find
Coach,
your
if you
players
say
are not
Onana things, what exactly do you mean?
What I mean is you playing like a footballer instead of you to go the simple way.
Way up the carry visitors so come honestly day to no Andrew Nana or no to the Manchester 2 now yes say neni enso ebeje ho but still the free game no buy ya the air to ja enso the amaya free na ye rem into the camp of Michael Essien or a former Ghana international and they odini jumedie as a coach at the FC North Zealand no enso ewo Denmark na Essien akasa on end the current crop of footballers are womu epi omode ba dodo na kasa oh womu trimo ye omode dodo omo ye too soft Essien se meme enka sa na omo batch no omo ye different ana we mo so e different nti sa one ti we mu ase ehu kwan obefa so ne omo ye adwuma ena mpempi no emma coaches ne bebre enso ntimi nyankonimdie e wo modwumadie mu nti wo chem se two different generations, two different eras into obia ne kwan ofa so a woni omo enso etna eno beboa ama odwumadie etimi akonkan Essien en common say no see di no.
I mean, as I said, it's generation. This is their generation, so we have to adapt to their generation. Yeah. Where back in the days when you said Jose will come to your face. I mean, I remember Jose. Even first half we will not talk about tactics. You have a go at each player, and then we go out. We have to take the initiative and react and make sure we change the game. But now it's not the same. It's different. So we are working on it, and also of course you need to find the right words to use on the players. So yeah.
And Tiano Michael Essien and come on also Eddie ni na ye say after fan Twitter here you know Joy Sports Okostrano our Denmark oneno and so etwe and come on na so fancy ba na odie to fani akwama na ne akohwe de ekoso wonkofo cross na teams no FC Salzburg omo Austria omunianom wo Germany Red Bull and Rising Ball Sport Leipzig was the same company. Salzburg for no any na a Red Bull ebusuakuo na the omode year boys ni weekend we no hey ya samo aya na team baako obetwe ho team baako obetwe ho na Salzburg for no boss 0-0 Austria na Leipzig so boss 0-0 wa Germany the same company. Red Bull ni yabehwe de obenu energy drink no yabetena papa na omwa ya me yankon kan a enye Roger Smith ye Benfica ye notify Roger Smith on TV.
Afe na akọ wani ana.
Mr. Roger Smith on TV.
Me buza question unyima no. Afe na akọ wani ana.
Ade na sa de cheswa. Na wo Philippa. De 2 days na ko check sleep ni bi wa. Right.
Tina was a mo twa betu na mo ye cash out no. Maso ending. Masuri. I say my muso ye de ho ye. Ana mato asomade abodin ti ye ka hwe amoso munti. Na I Saturday nka long weekend no na me say Salzburg aso na bekan. Omo say ba ko na ansa na ekọ international break mi ho mo no matwa mo. O po mo fie 3 million. Matwam 3 million and 1. Salzburg.
Na me ameni omuni twaka.
Omo ya dapa football.
Teams are many omuni ebia Leipzig, Salzburg, metwa omudimu.
Okay.
I have cancelled them. Me you free my na ka me ye we la ka me de ombeka o de omo nka we on ho. Na what na see dia bro say.
Ofo we.
Oh Salzburg, only Tirol.
Wo afa na Tirol. So we ball.
Tirol I was say.
What I was say. But Barca coach me say me can answer Tirol.
As if
Onimajuma Flick Onimajuma Mike Yava grown to. Now come match now midfielders recognized. Woman you 2 pa.
Yeah.
Barca share wine via 5-1.
Pablo Torre na. On time ye bimbo no be shame no. She beautiful assist to the Mara Fenya. Boys in the omo who ball. A coach ne so boa omo.
Sa anani e ka no.
Sa Flick na.
Won to say Enzo Maresca so de no. Na man for say enyo but when I'm fast the last few years down the lane every woman number say come and change Chelsea
Arsenal ne Manchester City from February they by Man City ne Arsenal
I think some traffic no mo say nye no ma so was afede signs na mo say
ye who am yina ba e so boy adwuma ya upon aba so Ten Hag say after international break or you're undefeated.
Aye.
Enti bona baso e.
Okay.
As all your selective e. Stay your body home day. After international break, meboa. We keep it clean sheet in miensa.
Okay.
Ana. Okwashe Southampton for the saying 3. And I'll share a for no a Barnsley for the 7. And on the Crystal Palace about 3 clean sheets. Or now they keep it back to back clean sheets. Massa, what the heck so about so?
Okay,
give it to him.
Mate, me da say na yem fan to when him say na matches about so games I was saying about so from Enwa depending na bobo kwan fan say Real Betis omo ofia zu 2-1 ama side. Eno ayem mayoka bobo kwan afei. Ma me fan to no say Benfica so kwa we. Ama Empire Boys no boss say manager fan say Roger Schmidt enya de yem promo after so mo promo manager ni nyina no Benfica e she e home Benfica team no and some I share away and Romuno Bobokua. Your father said Boavista a boy. Woman question me and say my Bobo Craven said Boavista for no woman some 90 and TB and what gamer and those about Swakran and Fanasa. I am Vangelis Pavlidis on about first goal. I'm or Kunu Kuchku. One of some about second Gransana Quatana. Your father's answer Cabral and the Atosomiansa and some Nasos Ama Benfica. And I am matches Archers and Bass. I know and the Abia Krama Chess and Midweek I am coming in. I know your games I was about so now no Castle Rum and some of Sevilla Omufia woman real via delete Domu Gamino and some about so Ghana time I 5 o'clock and a some match about so Fais Abubokono woman's Apomo match at Osasuna Afaya Real Madrid woman about Tiba Laves Timino and some about Sankam and about our stadium now and I have been a bow and then you may know my front two when him say referee now your fans Alejandro Muniz on a chess and Perifono and some other game as Adiaman and I gamer and also Abbas and watch a series matches I would know your midweek catches and Abbas and one game back where Eddie can't tell you out from no and no I talent about your side your fan say come on just so your fan of fabric gas and I'm also by way woman money fans are talent for no and some and no I 6:45 and then you mean a game no and no some other coso now EF4 cab no way around 3 now around 3 matches Abbas when I 6:45 and a Chelsea woman some other Chelsea Bobokua your fans are Barrow almost to game the Abbas and what you know your Man City album match you know and some other Watford Ubenya Bobokua your fans are Warsaw Amo and some other Leicester City Ebesha Sana Wickham and some other Aston Villa Bobokua no woman some other Chelsea Wickham for no and some other Chelsea and any other matches outdoor and no some other cross our Brenano Peno your day update and at the Bashadwak Mami Omo training a boss and Raway Bobokua your fans are Real Madrid unum say na ya ka say akwadana fans entry kajumadi awodi and I just and motoba all our training grounds ni nyina no and some kokama na adeba ko say what kind of last game mo boy entry ka free bench baya obefa boy e Madrid o man ka so mafam one kasa solo goal what ball no ko ya one apoma short am share winning goal and I say be a third goal am team no akwa some people mo say akwadana madam short abo enwa jeminya no say na chese manager no and the entire technical team woman some focus our akwadana so essence adeba ko ma wonu say akwadana one ne nine emu odin enti the moment na be born abasate come and crowd abama we ye wen obeshow baby obetina any baby obenya born and fun distance ni nyina no akwadana so timi bo shente enra we aye shooting practice and across ama akwadana ye fan say Endrick our bram no kasa ni nyina no woman some ade sharpen ho and some other akwadana ye menya no say bo bi on the two akwadana nim bia no one some amese ba kumpo wo sha boss ni nyina so our tro na mom nanka manager na address and wo mo game and komo ba wo mo some other chance alaves abon nyina no nanka manager na besan ko wura ye fan say Mbappe and some arrest and nanka amoma akwadana fan say Endrick and so start na so ye senya ni later and say and ram omo tro na bass no metesa yes Endrick akonya knock and Endrick akonya knock anya de bia and I serious in Chakobasa bia wo some amonita body situation no na say bass on to me start and wo mo game dia and you just Mbappe asabo akobasa bia Endrick ebetimi start dia and you move back Mbappe no and some ebetimi arrest Archers and I update and some free remedy no maso ye and some at ebenyame ya duma ay October and a Ballon d'Or ay awards gala and some bass on him say yes start stories be our man be catch all say we must start our campaign na campaign no and sasa we are Real Madrid player who do come am obi antias yesa I Vinicius and also Ballon d'Or oje we must start Emma Bronzo for nyina no and some na be so na Jamaican from anyone na draw ade ban nyina no say yes am say nipa bi and some aka tra kwedana ye fan say Vinicius ono and just watch Ballon d'Or ade sin na so awards na yenya nkoya yenya ndu samment a just na the month of October ye bon say be asimpi anasenia ye can say stage so when and some banam say nipa bia yes wo mususa oye adwuma and some our France football aka tra kwedana say wonom ana beje Ballon d'Or ntemno ka say no yes Nike wo my boot at the moment e bia mo supply kit at just wo no and some our contract no mo na edwo mo din eti Nike yes wo no aye boot data e dia bra kwedana kwa yenim ni wo so aka che Nike phone a wo so aye wa sa kwedana no and some almost a real Jumadiana, and yes, somewhere 20th at the core. I get 28th October Hona. 2 days later, some be a Nike or a new shop, and some out as a Madrid. Now, new shop no Mubiano, and some a Grand Var store. Now, Grand Var store just an about Madrid, no, same way I near. You can't say go to boot on my customer, say, and Yama Kurano Mudibi almost shop, and some update to Abba Honsamino, yet the Emma for another pay. And some our show so boss of what say when we go to find some Mark Andrew Testigan when you quite successful surgery now surgery at just a basso and some other reference Testigan when we say a doctor na your friend Juan Carlos Molao no and another yamaba to just one no and I perform a yes procedure and I could done for some Mark Bernal where the same doctor and I just enroll on some I surgery no and yamaka could done for some Testigan yes basa goalkeepers no be Ricardo Bravonom and HS one makasem omunya ombaba and what former goalkeeper and some amajufa your fan San Jasni omunya no and some abasom better post anymore and some adama bonsa na the basa fine say and omo home pre omo say osha basa 3 one be show 5 wo show omo 4 on the show 7 and I'm say goalkeeper no crash and yet your problem to among procra now Jamaican can you say one must consider options in year 2 now 2 options in either say I can say one must me assign a free agent a goalkeeper and you 1 and I'm for second option and so and say Basa train I'm a yama ya dubronya maybe at January almost some winter transfer market in Libya one must up a long term a goalkeeper so they am a boss Timono and Tomon Sheran Russia cra. Now Jamaican can in some gamer and no some other cosu Yamia Botina and so I Wednesday Bansa Nibobokua, your funny your Tafe and a babo Rafinha and a bear captain Ama MC Barcelona now just an Rafinha Fomono and some an armband and Machekama Yamia Botina Rafinha and Jamaican can no and some other armband Amasaida your father is a Bansa Odom Sena one more player some proper shack Mamin Quadomin so proper 8 omunyina no a long time now yakra na yerim sanka bia dion gonom and some money bia gave munyina ba o say hey wo hwe aye basa listen mu a goalkeeper no wakokan Dani Olmo and what he gave nom and Chelsea Ronaldo Araujo obenya Mark Bernal nom and Chelsea Nkwadano Femi Lopez omunyina proper and just oh team na bia call je Jamaica call no sankwada and omunyina team start yo na some omunyina proper ma still manager na ye fa Flick a grinder results not just a coach on Majuma pa and that Nipo Musuromano and Lamin Jamal report to me and say and Komobenya Kalami Yamano on Jena Home I was so bueno arrested now Jamaican can say coach no yes one in the backroom staff way say Lami Yama minute and a Dawson Josomo pa ebia director no Mama Quadano and some Jena Home now cinema for see Chow Quadano abra one more matches I'm the kind about to just one protection and Yama Quadan on Lami Yama Janu coach your first flick it can be our home Yintia manager no crumb of Asua one some other protector Lamin or say no credit no mum and your Lamin Kua place I can woman you also here are your protection.
I think we have to protect every player. So in the situation I haven't seen the situation so clear. Maybe when we analyze the match, I can say more. But I don't will speak too much about Lamine because he's doing great. He has a lot of quality, but also the other players. If it Robert, if it Rafa, also our center defenders, Jules doing really great. So it's for us.
Yes, and no, I Barca coach, and I'll tell you, Danny excepts no, and my tip for another show said, Bribia, FC Barcelona, but a classico biano, Wamuto, Jason, and Nimu just say, Yababenya, the Rolling Stones, Abenya, just Pina, or Mababa, Barca, Wamu Jason, Yamayama, El Classico, and Chabiano, and no some Barcelona, Jamen can say, says El Classico at 27th October, Abacoso Benebo, Barca JC Amadebakono, Yatrenu court play. And so I away, I just a rock band, I just away, I a genre of music, I know, I a rock, almost band, no, Bison in here, almost now, Quache, I a bassa, woman Jason, and I just always come quadia, Obanyamuti, that be a telecom one shriek. Me di our bet you and I just a fancy Maquajanimuna, Mediaquaco 20 mamma, boy classic Quamamia, Nina and I update, and a Bobo Crab fans at Chelsea, Omo, and some other Barrow elbow. Now, I'm with the answer Maresca. As I said, Yamu Tidio, and yes, Barbara Jomo and Telegram Commandum, and was it Dabita, Chelsea, and the estimate opponent to be at the moment Tabu Ajumusabia way awful, way I had and one Abeluso Martino, and Tomunya Bikrata, Yintia coach and our brand new Ray, one more game, El Paso.
No, it's dangerous also because football is full of these kind of games that you think that it's easy game and then it's a tricky game. Probably in this moment is the worst game for us. It's much better, different kind of games. This is the reason why we need to take serious.
Yes, not just a match at Chelsea, Quackaboni, no. One more fun serious report from inside Kansas Katana. Your friend Rodri and Supro Bianim Arsenal and so court Chelsea City, Omufie, and I just start match here. Number 1 minute cry. Woman can't it from now Rodri Eco Prino. Woman say a ACL, not just at the moment. Woman anterior cruciate ligament. Woman damage, almost damage. The Buonma, a timid Kakrabi, a Buonswa timid 10. I just a ligament damage. Dominion say Rodri so about almost what we are season. Not just a Rodri matches a car. A question very I had season as a player. No, and some number to me about Enra. One also under who can in a just Omuko Drew. I Barcelona Cromwell away and some Pratt Airport. Now I do about Kwama Ayomo Danisa and Okwana crutches and Shanamotum. Womasina or Togus Wotin who's and Quato General. I am sending Fano and Yapa until the moment. Ababa sabi a doctor. Yase Odina Chukwaya a Man City. I'm a doctor no. Your friend Edumari. One and Yakodanum and a co enra. A Dr. Ramon Kugat. Ono and a best surgery and also about performing procedure. And so Adiama Kodana and Nino. What problem? Oh, Koto Jet in front of Diano. Now Adiaba couldn't say 76 matches are Rodri Edinum. I just walk Adiama Man City no. I Bakupa and Omaluzi. Not just out of the 76 at Wasunino. Zuba Kodia, not just a city with Rodri, Ayakema, without Rodri, a baby, oh, Naomi Pronobu Cross Wanuma, one to the Abasa Rodri, a beer. No abon game, Chatuo, Adjama Man City, Dentia, woman to the Abaso Bonnie game, Chatuan, but on some more and some other Manchu Adjano, Mabacas almost say, Omotiri Abaso, see, I stadium no full fra, Anna Chasababa, almost say, woman plan 100,000 capacity, woman 100,000 capacity now, woman some per year, I just say Amphibian Nipa, woman some Abaco Old Trafford, about 1.8 million people, and I just a per year. It is a 1.8 million. Aba Old Trafford Amphibiana. Woman to the Abasaba generate 7.3 billion pounds. Adama Juke. Economy no more TV Visiano Potania Tampa. Yabamo Sasia Mumasin Sessia. Abasa creative jobs and nipa over best 92,000. Abenya Jumaya. Another Ketua Cranto Masa.
Some you are more Tom.
Oh, yeah. Man, you dear brand and soon.
Nan say na
baby. Oh, Penny.
Come
on, you dear.
100,000 stadium there capacity. I almost started in a soon. almost omunya club ketua
Chinko munsi say
100,000 if at all.
Okay.
Yes, omunya. Omo dom ombenya adodo na behwe ma ye kama de amom ente say Chelsea crabenya. Chelsea 80,000 Chelsea Stadium media say
enya sabos ya fali gini simple.
Chelsea Stadium enya be fitting.
Da be say
sakra. I say
omo de sabos ya fa trophy no asa grow. Okay, what. Yes, yen kasapi. Okay. O kan ke sia omo bete. Ai! Oko.
Yako.
Beer. Ami, fufuri yeddaw. Me pocho balance na waka no. Fama mo wo fufuru.
Kwado, ye wo fufu tintintimo. Eye Kennedy. Fufu machine. Ani ye di adwuma wa.
Machine pani.
Awu se fufu ne nei wo ba ye ante. Me da wo ko Kennedy digital satellite. Awu wada. Wo benya bia wo de be wo fufu fi wate. Kennedy digital satellite na me ka ho